Hello. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to upload files to ChatGPT. It's very quick and easy. First, you can search ChatGPT upload file extension on Google and choose the extension with this title and this icon. Then, click the blue button. It means add to your Chrome. When the extension downloaded, you can choose Add Extension here. So, at this play, you can see more extensions that you already downloaded before. Now we're back to the ChatGPT and see how it changed. At the bottom of the window, you can see we have new button here, Submit File. Just click it and choose the file that you want to upload on ChatGPT. So I will try to upload a randomly file and tell the ChatGPT to summary the file for me. And it did great job. So we are done. I hope this video is helpful and thank you for watching.